If you're looking for a method that doesn't use a PC, well, you've come to the right place. This exclusive video tutorial will explain all the steps so you can resolve and fix what's happening with your cell phone. We have this little padlock here. This accessibility lock. What happened to this phone? It was formatted. We formatted it, but now we're left with this. It lets us go to the home screen. It lets us get to the Wi-Fi network connection. Let's explain. We're going to connect to a Wi-Fi network, and we'll explain this video tutorial and how you'll solve it. We're going to tap Add, then Manual, and then connect to a Wi-Fi network. As we've indicated, we're going to get to that point, to that section, where we see the screen lock and the Google account. From there, we'll perform all the recovery steps. If you're looking for these kinds of videos, I recommend watching it step by step so you don't miss any details, because sometimes you skip ahead in the video tutorial, and if you don't follow the instructions exactly, you might get a recovery prompt or some settings or adjustments we're mentioning. If you don't do it exactly as we've said in this video, then it won't work. What I recommend is that you go back to the beginning of the video tutorial and apply it again, because sometimes when we fast forward, we miss some settings. This takes us to this section where we see the screen lock. We click here where it says, Use my Google account, and it will take us to where that account appears. What we're going to do is click here where it says, Forget Gmail. Here we'll write this and click Next. Then we'll write this here as well. And then we'll write this here and click Next. We'll do this for 30 seconds. After those 30 seconds, we'll go back to the beginning. This will help us enable a function. Later that will give us recovery access. We'll click Next, Next, and Next, and then it will take us to this point. Having said all that, now we'll quickly go back. In this section, you're going to click here on Emergency Call and you're going to write asterisk number 1122, and then you go back and write the number sign first and then apply the same process. You click on Call, then apply the same process, asterisk number sign 0808, write number sign, asterisk number sign. Then you click on Call, and now what you're going to do is this. You're going to touch the screen several times. You click back, you click on Add New Network. You click here on the gear icon. Then you click here on Language. You click here on the 3 dots. Update. You select here. Sorry, we're going back. We're going to go back and we're going to click here on this last option. We put it here, then we leave it like that. We go back. Then what are we going to do? We're going to disable this option. Then here we're going to click here. Here we're going to add the following. Pay close attention. We're going to add asterisk. Asterisk, number 1, 1, 2, number 2, asterisk, number 2, and now here we're going to write www. You write it exactly as it appears here on the screen. We write here, we add the .com, we click here on Added. It's completely ready. Don't forget, if you click it several times it can take you to the home screen. You can go back and it will be measuring all these settings. We click gently, we click here. If you see that it has a different language, you click back. If you have it in the current language, you leave it like that, you go back. You click here. You deactivate here. You go back. Now what are you going to do? You are going to click here on Reset and you are going to reset all these options that appear here. All four. The four options that we have here, we are going to reset them. Now that we have reset, all of this involves pressing the power button and the volume down button simultaneously. This will force. Wait for your phone to boot up. Once it does, the recovery process will be complete. That's why it's always recommended to watch the step-by-step video tutorial so you don't miss any details and we can successfully recover your phone. Leave a comment if you followed the video tutorial exactly. If you skipped ahead, I recommend rewinding the video because if you don't follow all the steps we've outlined, this won't work. Recovery is done, so now we're going to finish this method. Now that we're here at the start, let's wait here. Let's arrange this here. Now what we're going to do is click here on Next. You're going to click Next. You're going to click here. Now you click here on Add. You're going to click on Add here. You click on Add. It seems to be a little slow. Click here on Manual. Let's see, and now the process should be working here. You'll see, pay close attention. You're going to click here. Let's wait. We wait, and now the device should be recovering. Pay close attention, we have the padlock. Let's wait. Now it's going to take you here to this option. We still have the padlock activated. What are you going to do? You're going to click back. You're going to click here on Disable Network and you're going to click here on Skip. You're going to click on Skip. You're going to click where it says Don't Copy. You click here on Skip. Skip again. No, you're not going to add anything. You click Accept, here. Click, Accept, click, Add, click, Next. Pay close attention. We're in the final steps. If you followed all the settings as shown in our video tutorial, and you skipped ahead, you missed a function. As you can see, we've arrived directly at the start.